How to log into MNT Bank mobile app. To log in into the MNT mobile app, you need to download it. For that, you want to go to your respective app store and install MNT uh, on your device. So when you go to MNT Bank, you want to install it up. Once you're done installing the app, you want to go to the open button and so when you go to the open button, you'll then be able to see this page where you could see login or enroll now. Since you already have an account, so click on the login button, then you'll be prompted to enter in your user ID. Once done confirming your user ID, you'll then need to type in your password and log into your account. After you're done typing in your user ID as well as password, you could also use a biometric if this is the first time trying to log in. And if you've enabled it, you could complete any required step as well. And that's how you'll be able to log into MNT mobile banking app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.